So I just got this Elite Gourmet coffee pot. It is a 4-cup, 5-cup, whatever. And it's okay. It's nice. I like how small it is. The biggest gripe I have about it is this right here. So when you have the coffee pot in there, it pushes this up because of the little spring right here. So anyway, this hits, which means you can't close the lid. So you have to make sure it's perfectly level, and if you have the coffee pot in there, it's going to hit. So that's a pain. You got to make sure that you press down and then move this over to close the lid. That sucks.
Okay, I'm only taking this video because I don't know if it's visible where it's broken. Let's see. I don't know if you guys can tell. It's kind of hard to zoom in. But it's broken right there. And right here, I didn't notice that it was broken on the left-hand side as well. You see? Oh wait, the glass hasn't fallen off on this side yet, but it definitely fell off on over here. I don't want to hurt myself. Yeah, but truly disappointing.
I've been trying to be happy with this thing because I got rid of the box. I filled this to number 4. And look at what has happened to my expensive coffee. And I live in the place where this water is effing contaminated. I have to get water and purchase the bottles from reverse osmosis. It's costing me $6 per bottle. I use a quarter of water for coffee, and this has messed up my coffee. And now I also have a mess on the floor to clean up as well. That you can't see because of the top. This is, I cannot recommend this coffee machine. This is...
This coffee pot is burnt. The burner is burnt.